In this video, I'll be showing you my Lazy Traffic Sniper review. So in a nutshell, Lazy Traffic Sniper is a info-based product that is being launched on Warrior Plus Marketplace by Jono Armstrong, Betty and Shubham on 6th of May at 9 a.m. Eastern. And this product is all about how you can generate traffic and affiliate commissions using Quora. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Lazy Traffic Sniper. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I have compiled for you guys. We will be taking a look at the sales page as well. I'll be telling you about the different price points for Lazy Traffic Sniper, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. So if you don't know about Quora, Quora is a question and answer website using which you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate offers, to your blogs, to your videos. And let me show you some of my stats. I've been using Quora for quite some time, and let me show you my results, what I've been getting from Quora. These are all the answers which I've replied on Quora. These are the views in last 30 days. Let's check out last 3 months. I've got this much views. 6 upvotes means when people gonna like your reply, and they have an option to upvote that. And let's have a look at all time. So I've got like 17,000 views, 38 upvotes, 5 people have shared my answers. So uh, and on Quora you can find questions on any topic, different topics, different niche. It's a kind of a whole question bank sort of things for different categories, and where you can use this to drive traffic. But there is a way with which you can use Quora. You just cannot simply put your links, affiliate links inside Quora in your responses and expect people to buy from you. No, it doesn't work like that. And if you just put your links in Quora, your answers will be banned and your account will be shut down as well. So this is where the new course, Lazy Traffic Sniper, comes in. This is all about Quora, and they will teach you how you can get started with Quora, what all things you have to do, like how you can create a profile, how to use Quora, how to create your bio inside it, how to hack finding best questions to answers, how to hack answers questions in Quora, and then it talks about creating content, like best practices for Quora, creating post, creating a space in Quora, which is something new, and then they will talk about how you can use the affiliate links like Warrior Plus and JVZoo links, and how you can redirect the traffic the right way, using which you can promote Quora, promote your products on Quora, I mean. And then there is section for more additional traffic from LinkedIn and Twitter, and then there is conclusion video, and then there are some vendor bonuses along with some upgrades which I'll be covering later on in this video. So this is what you're going to get inside Lazy Traffic Sniper. It's a training. These are all trainings, and this is what you expect once you make the purchase. And now link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this bonus page of mine, and you can read about the Lazy Traffic Sniper on this page. And the number one bonus I'm going to offer to you is a 60-minute coaching call where we can discuss about anything related to online business, any topic of your choice, and that's going to be 60-minute one-on-one time with me. Bonus number two, I'm going to give a training on how to build squeeze pages. Using those squeeze pages, you can capture the email addresses of people and you can build an email list for yourself. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you 1,000+ PLR articles, which you can use them in answering the questions on Quora. And that is what I'll be also telling you in my one-to-one coaching call, where I'll be telling you how to utilize these PLR articles to reply to questions in Quora. And bonus number four, I'm going to give you training on how to make money from TikTok. And bonus number five, I'm going to give you a software which is Nova Pro, which is going to automate your TikTok marketing. It's a Chrome extension which you need to install on your Chrome browser, and it is going to automatically follow and send messages to people. Bonus number six, I'm going to give you a bonus vault, which is basically a collection of high quality products, softwares, and trainings which are very much relevant, and you can give away these to build your list, to as a bonuses in your campaign. So you can do whatever you want with these, and all you need to do, just click on yes order now button on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page. And let's have a look at the headline first. It says the stealth traffic solution makes us $300 per day on autopilot. Get all your money links in front of 300 plus million hungry buyers for free. So Quora is a free traffic. You do not have to invest any money in paid ads on Quora. And rest, you can have a look at the sales page once you are ready to make the purchase. Just need to click on get instant access now button. That will take you to Warrior Plus, where you will be completing your purchase, and then all your bonuses will be available right inside the Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete a purchase, just need to click on access affiliate bonus, and all these bonuses will be right there waiting for you. And now talking about the price points for a Lazy Traffic Sniper. So the front end, which includes all the trainings and all my bonuses, you can just pick it up for just $12.95. So I can say it is a lot of value you're getting for $12.95, and the training and the bonuses, it's way more valuable than $12.95. Then there are few optional upgrades, and these upgrades are just to make sure that you get results faster. So the upgrade number one is the Lazy Traffic Sniper Pro version for $47. So basically, it's some advanced trainings you're going to get on Quora. Bonus number two is the Lazy Traffic Sniper Silver edition for $97. So basically, you will be told about paid ads, how you can run paid ads to your campaign. So it's a additional training on paid ads. And upgrade number three is a Lazy Traffic Sniper Gold Edition for $197. So basically, it's a limitless traffic upgrade, and it's a done for you traffic as well. And upgrade number four is the Lazy Traffic Sniper Platinum Edition for $197. So basically, you're going to get three products. You're going to get the resale rights for three products, and you can promote these as your own and keep the 100% profit. So now talking about the things which I like, the things which I really like is Quora is a free traffic platform, but you have to know how to use it properly to your advantage. That's what being covered. You do not need to have any tech skills to use Quora, no. And there are no monthly fees, monthly charges on anything once you get this product. And the things which I do not like, well, it's a very honest training. It's a very valuable training, so I don't see any negative about this training. The people will say that okay, it doesn't work, the Quora doesn't work, but those people, they do not just stick to the traffic source longer enough. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not, definitely it is a good fit for you. If you're looking for a free traffic option to promote your affiliate offers, Quora is the best place to get started. And along with this product and my bonuses, you are all set for Quora. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.